My name is Supriya Rai and I am from Standard 9B. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I am going to share a short speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863, Narain in Kolkata, on the day of Makar Sankranti. His father Vishwanath Datta was a prominent member of society and a wealthy lawyer. Vivekananda, who has named Narendra Datta as a child, was one of the 8 children born to Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvneshwari Devi. Swami Vivekananda is one of the greatest monks that India has ever seen. He is not only a spiritual leader that India always boasts of, but also a great freedom fighter, which was one are understood only if they know and study him deeply. Swami Vivekananda is best known in the United Nations for his groundbreaking speech to the 1893 World Parliaments of Religions, in which he introduced Hindus to Americans and called for religious tolerance and an end to fanaticism. Born Narendra Datta, he was also chief disciple of the 19th century mystic Ramakrishna and the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekananda is also considered a key figure in introduction of Vedanta and Yoga to the West and is credited with raising the profile of Hindus to that one of world religions. And this day, the Indian government has also recognized National Youth Day. As per the official communication from the government, it was felt that the philosophy of Swamiji and the ideal for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. The message of National Youth Day. These are the words that reminds us of the importance of our youth. This also inspires the youth to take their role in the society more seriously. It's towards constructive thinking and create a better world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you.
एवं मेरे प्रिय मित्रों, मेरा नाम पद्मा मुर्मू है और मैं कक्षा 9वीं ब की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप लोगों के समक्ष एक प्रेरणादायक कहानी प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है लक्ष्य पर ध्यान लगाओ। स्वामी विवेकानंद अमेरिका में भ्रमण कर रहे थे। एक जगह से गुजरते हुए उन्होंने पुल पर खड़े कुछ लड़कों को नदी में तैर रहे अंडे के छिलके पर बंदूक से निशाना लगाते देखा। किसी भी लड़के का एक भी निशाना सही नहीं लग रहा था। तब उन्होंने एक लड़के से बंदूक ली और खुद निशाना लगाने लगे। उन्होंने पहला निशाना लगाया और वह बिल्कुल सही लगा। फिर एक के बाद एक उन्होंने कुल 12 निशाने लगाए और सभी बिल्कुल सटीक लगे। यह देख लड़के दंग रह गए और उनसे पूछा, भला आप ये कैसे कर लेते हैं? स्वामी जी बोले, तुम जो भी कर रहे हो अपना पूरा दिमाग उसी एक काम में लगाओ। अगर तुम निशाना लगा रहे हो तो तुम्हारा पूरा ध्यान सिर्फ अपने लक्ष्य पर होना चाहिए, तब तुम कभी चूकोगे नहीं। स्वामी जी ने आगे कहा, आप जैसे सोचते हैं आप वैसे ही बन जाएंगे। आप खुद को कमजोर मानेंगे तो कमजोर बन जाएंगे, खुद को शक्तिशाली मानेंगे तो शक्तिशाली बन जाएंगे। यही फर्क है एक सफल और असफल इंसान में। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to one and all present. My name is Varsha Karwa and I am from Standard 9. Today I am going to deliver some inspirational thoughts by Swami Vivekananda. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually and spiritually, reject